tutorial for you if you still struggle with peanut coating. In this guide, I will teach you how to make a tasty, milky and crunchily baked peanut snack recipe with a less calorie, suitable for businesses, weight management and on budget. Also, I will unveil in a jiffy a non-boring sequential peanut coating pattern that can and has never failed. I'm sure you want to perfect your coating skills by understanding all the peanut coating principles, guidelines and lots more. And if yes, touch the like button and let's go. Hello, it's Chinedo Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com, and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. The first thing to consider as a unique process while making your peanut is the removal of extraneous peanuts and particles. I have some shrinked and broken peanuts in here, and I do not want that because they might alter a uniform size of my peanut after coating. So I go ahead and pick them out, after which I'll transfer into a hollowed bowl, add some water and salt and wash them. I'm actually using a cold water to do this, but in case you prefer a hot water, that's fine, go ahead and do so. I added half teaspoon of salt for the cleaning, and you should understand that this contributed greatly to the salt content of our peanuts. So go ahead and clean wash the peanuts, strain out the water after cleaning, discard the extraneous water filtrates and spray your peanuts out on the tray and allow them to dehydrate a bit under the sunlight. And if it's not sunny where you live, you can do this drying in your oven at a mild temperature. Here are the rest of the ingredients in addition to the 2 cups of our peanuts. 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, 2 big eggs, and please, if your eggs are of the smaller size, please use 3. 28 grams of milk powder, and please, any milk can do this, whether full or filled. 1 tablespoon of powdered milk flavor, and about 2 drops of liquid condensed milk flavor. Over here is a tablespoon of margarine and 1/4 tablespoon of salt, baking powder and cinnamon powder. Now the cinnamon flavor is the star of this peanuts recipe. Once you try it, you would not like to use nutmeg anymore. Yeah, it really does a better job, I must confess. Now let's prepare these ingredients for the real peanut coating. Starting from the wet ingredients, I'm gonna crack our 2 eggs. Whisk properly until it becomes light and foamy. Now quickly introduce your liquid milk flavor, and please be careful not to use it in excess for health reasons. At this point, add the combination of your sugar and salt and then mix to dissolve. Now we're going to incorporate our margarine by melting over the heat. Now this margarine addition is a necessity because this is a baked peanut. Adding a melted margarine or butter will give your product an acceptable color and a degree of softness. In case you are doing this for business, at this point you can add your food color if it is liquid. So mix and step aside as we prepare our dry ingredients. Over here is the flour content in the dish. You go ahead and add all the dry ingredients ranging from the milk powder, the milk flavor, the cinnamon flavor and baking powder. Our powdered milk is not left behind. So mix to homogenize all our dry ingredients. Let's check out our peanut condition, and perhaps it must have been dried by now. Yeah, there is no more water residue in the body of the peanut, and that is how we want it. Now, please pay a good number of attention if you want a good coating for your peanut. Introduce your peanut into your coating bowl. Both your bowl and your peanut must be in dry condition. With the help of a teaspoon, I repeat, a teaspoon, slightly introduce your sugar solution into your dry peanut in your dry bowl. Now mix with your hand and allow every part of the peanut to get wet with the solution. This is very important, as any part of the peanut that do not contain this slimy liquid may not coat. And this is one of the causes of irregularities in shapes and look of your peanut. So sprinkle the flour mixture evenly with the help of your fingertips. And once you've done that, it's time to shake. Now, your shaking direction option is totally yours. You can choose to shake clockwise, just the way I'm doing now, or you can shake anti-clockwise. You can shake ups and down, or you can shake sideways. Whichever way, just keep shaking and keep moving. Peanut coating can be very addictive and interesting when you are getting it right. It can also be boring and discouraging when getting it wrongly. Based on that, I would love to share with you my all-round perfect round ball peanut coating sequence that have helped me all through this year. Number 1. Start by wetting all your peanuts with your liquid syrup. Follow the exercise by adding a sufficient amount of flour that will engulf the liquid. Number 2. Always keep an eye on the peanut reaction. Yeah, when it becomes wetty, go with adding some flour. This will enable the peanuts to absorb the flour and coat them more. For wet ingredients, we'll always go with a dry ingredient, and dry ingredients will always marry a wet ingredient. Is that understood? Good. I usually see some recipes that will always encourage you to sieve out the excesses from the flour. And I would say, for what? Yeah, the peanut is actually sending you a signal that it needs more wet ingredients. That is what it means. So all you needed to do is to add some liquid ingredient size of your peanut, just like me. You can see my peanuts are already coated, but I still want it bigger. Or maybe I should increase the light so that you can see it better. Yeah, let's go out. Yeah, just look at it. Can you see? Smoothly coated and nicely rounded. I'm sure you like this, but I'm not done yet. I still want to coat. Like I said, I choose the size of my ball. And I know that after this video, you can now coat very well, because the secret has just been revealed. And if you've not liked this video, I wonder why, and what then will make you to like it. Please give us a like and subscribe, because I have more food solving problem recipes to share ahead. Okay, so subscribe, like, share this video. Let other people see this goodness. Now, I'm actually intending to bake these peanuts, so finally I'm gonna finish up with wet ingredients so that my peanut doesn't look dusty. So ending up with a liquid ingredients will make my peanut look to have a good finishing. Yeah. I already transferred it into a plate so that you can see it closely and better. Next action is to grease my pan with oil or margarine and transfer the whole peanuts into my pan. Meanwhile, my oven is already heating up. Now, in the oven, ensure that your heat is below 180 degrees C. You must have to bake under a lower heat, otherwise your peanuts will go bad. Again, the very first 10 minutes of a peanut in the oven is the most dangerous and delicate time. Please don't go away. Assist the peanut with constant stirring if you must do a good job. This peanut was baked for an hour and here is the outcome. Now it didn't end here. I'm gonna add some melted margarine into my pan and grease the surfaces of the peanut for a shiner and better look. Next is to allow to cool down completely before packaging. Yeah, that is a good sound of a well-baked and perfectly coated peanut. And the taste is a menace. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow us, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also follow us in all our social media handles at Until I come your way. Bye.